Hey guys, this is Anirudh. I was searching for the best TWS under 899. Out of 4, the 3 recommended were both Airdopes 131. And they were in the second rank at 899 rupees list. So I decided to check YouTube reviews. Best wireless earbuds under 1000 rupees. Best for the price. Is it worth the hype? So I decided to buy it. Hi friends, welcome back to Best of Tech. In today's video, we are going to review this boat Airdopes 131. So let's get started. So this is how the boat Airdopes 131 truly wireless earbuds looks like. Boat Airdopes 131. So behind you get some extra specifications, and here you can see the earbuds itself. If you charge it for 5 minutes, boat claims that you will get 90 minutes of playback time. So leave the sound written here. So let's unbox the boat Airdopes 131. Here we get marketing advertisement. Same goes on here, FAQ questions. And this is how the boat Airdopes 131 look like. So let's go with the accessories. We get a USB to a Type-C port. This is how the boat Airdopes 131 look like. You get 3 charging indicators, boat branding. We get a Type-C port. This is how it looks from back. It's completely made up of plastic and build quality is average, not so good, not so bad. So this is how the earbuds look like. We get boat logo here. Boat logo, and that's also a button, touch controls basically. And here you can see silver finishing. If we press that button, Siri or Google will open. The noise cancellation is pretty good because I'm not able to hear the outside sound inside as much as before. I can hear it but not as much as before. It has reduced a bit. And here you can see how it looks. So this is how it looks like in here. So the playback time of this earphones is 60 hours. And this one has 13mm drivers. So let's have a quick sound test. So friends, the 13mm drivers present inside this has a lot of bass, and the trebles are kind of missing. So yeah. Whenever we get an instrument sound, the bass is high, so the instrument sounds are kind of low. And when a person is singing, the voice of the person singing would be higher pitch, and the bass and the background music would be a bit less.